Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to turn off app installation on the application of Shareit. To know how to turn off app installation on the application of Shareit, you should just go to Shareit app as you see and you will click. After that, in this page you will go down to click in the sign of me. When you find this page you will go to about to this sign here. Then in this list you will go to click notifications. When you'll find this page, you will click in the sign of app installation. If the sign changed, then you can know how to turn off app installation on the application of Shareit. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.